This is the story Red Dogs Can't Jump, written by Muireann Elliman, age 11, County Galway. Pippi is a bouncy Hungarian Vizsla with floppy ears, a coat like shiny pink rust, a dark stripe down her back, and big brown adorable eyes. Pippi is the fastest dog in all of Raha, but as hard as she tried, she just couldn't jump. One night, Pippi and her puppies were curled up by a warm peaty fire. After a long day bouncing through muddy streams and hedges. The humans were fast asleep when Pippi heard a crunching noise on the gravel driveway. Moments later, a window opened. A shadowy figure grabbed Pippi and threw her into a dark van. She screeched and barked to get out. When the van door opened, she was dragged into a fenced area full of sad dogs. The dogs plotted to escape, but there was a problem. The fence was too high, they couldn't go under it, so they had to go over it. First up was the cheeky Chihuahua, who tried hard but her legs were too short. Next up was the lazy Labrador, who got halfway up but was too heavy. The posh Poodle and rowdy Jack Russell gave all they could but didn't succeed. Last was Pippi, who pinned back her ears, took a run up and with one giant leap cleared the fence. At the top of the fence was a long wooden plank. Pippi nudged one end and it fell. The dogs managed to crawl up the plank and escape. They all scrambled towards the village, tails wagging high. Pippi sniffed familiar smells that guided her home. Her family were frantically searching for her.
Pippi, Pippi, where are you? Come here, girl.
Pippi barked. They all looked up and ran towards her with joy. Pippi was home, and to her delight, was just in time for breakfast.